How to download and install Git on Windows. You just go to a browser, then just type Git source code management download, and just go to the link and select Windows. Then click here. Then just run it. Yes. Select next. Next. Keep it default setting. Just go next. Next. Select next. Select Git from the command line and also from the third-party software. Then select next. Use the open SSH library. Select it and click next. Click next. Just go to the next. You can launch it. Git version. You can see the Git version also here. So Git successfully installed on Windows. Thank you.